I knew that was mine then.
On a gusty wind for Sunday. Could be some strong storms and high winds around Sunday night into Monday as colder air crashes in. From the WKYT First Alert Weather Center.
I guess we gotta fill out something, I guess. Just to tell you where you are, where you're from, and all that kind of stuff like that.
Quality affordable furniture. Here at CC's Furniture, we offer discounts on our home furnishings year-round. Stop by one of our local family-owned stores in London.
All right, now we're on Facebook Live. TWT and Flip Phone, do America.
What's up, America?
What's up, America? Hello, America.
Okay, well, it's almost noon. Long time ago.
Okay, well, you're still good, though.
Well, yeah, they sent me something in the mail, so
Yeah. Good.
okay.
We're down here in Somerset, Kentucky for the Summer Nights Cruise. Cute little town. I guess I can't rotate my phone this way. Or can I? Okay. It says no. We gotta do it the old-fashioned way. Vertical. We got a hell of a Pro Street Camaro up there, 60s model. Big blower, giant tires, roll bar. He's full Pro Street. He's in front of this red car here. He's chopping down the block. Sounds real good. I'm gonna try to get it before he shuts it off, but probably won't get a chance to.
Well, he'll start back up for you.
I should have got back out.
He'll fire it up for you. We're gonna be at the top of the hill, I think. Pretty close.
Down in the front row.
Awesome sauce.
Awesome sauce. I haven't heard that in a while.
Washington. He came a long way. That's Washington. Wow.
Camaros and Firebirds are the featured cars this month, so they get the preferred parking up here.
Chevy power.
Chevy power, even with a V6.
Hey. I get style points.
When we get up close, I'm gonna get out and get that Camaro before he shuts it off.
Well, if you want to get out now, you can. I mean, I'm just gonna park right up here.
Get a little closer, just a little bit.
All right.
That was a little closer.
Nice cold water. I got it. Yes, please.
All right, I'm getting out. I think.
I think it has to be in gear. There you go.
Oh
For some
man.
reason, it has to be in gear. Safe gear.
How's it going? All right, we're here, top of the hill. I don't know what kind of Camaro this is.
We've also got about 300 rooms down the street. So, you know, we've tried to get it right. Me and Eric can let it down.
All right, just a little quick. There's a whole bunch of more cars coming in. They're loading in the Camaros first, I guess, and then the other cars will be coming in later, a bit later. All right, I'm gonna shut this down for a minute. Take off my hoodie because it's getting kind of warm. This is Somerset, Kentucky for the Summer Nights Cruise.
They didn't.
All right, shutting her down and about ready to get some video. All right, how do I shut it down? Finish.